What's up to all my fellow chartists? What a big green day we had. Guys, look at that big old green Shrek candle. Now before I get started, I just want to say, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am the chartist. Now what did I say to you guys yesterday? Alright, now let's start with my video from 2 days ago. 2 days ago I told you guys that I will be looking for buying opportunities, okay? Yesterday, I told you guys in yesterday's video around the 6 minute to 7 minute mark. Alright, probably when most of you guys stopped listening to me. But if you still listen to me, you listened and heard that I said that we were going to hit that 439 to 440 price target. I was bullish, okay? Yesterday's video had like 3 dislikes. Okay, it's not a lot of dislike, but of all the videos that I've made, that is the most dislike I've had. I don't know why you guys even disliked it, because I'm just translating the charts. And the charts told me yesterday that there was a high chance that we were going to test this resistance line. Okay, I told you guys I had the target of 439 to the 440. I also told you guys that if we test this resistance level again, we were gonna break it, because the more time a resistance or support level gets tested, it gets weaker. All right, now what happened? Was I wrong, guys? Did I lie to you? Did I steer you guys the wrong way? Remember, guys, I always want to give you guys the best information that I can give you, because it would behoove me to do so if I want more subscribers, right? If I want to bring a good name to my brand. You understand what I'm saying? So I want to give you guys the best information. I'm not going to give you guys any of that BS. All right? Am I always going to be right? No, but I have been more right than wrong if you've been watching or been a subscriber to my channel for a while now. Okay? And just to let you know, these aren't predictions or anything. I don't have a crystal ball. I'm nothing. All it is just technical analysis, watching the price action. And every time I make these videos, I hope you guys get one of two things. One, I hope you get some good information to help you trade for the next day. And two, I want you guys to understand my mindset and the thought process. And how I read these charts, so that you can learn to read the charts on your own, with or without me. Okay, guys? So with that being said, we got some things we got to talk about. Okay, I'm a little early with my video. It's about 2-3 minutes left in the market. Okay, as you can see, we broke out of this resistance just like I predicted. Okay, we broke out and we went and tested this 50-day moving average. Now I always bring up my Discord. I always make write the levels out, and I tell my members. Okay, friendly reminder: you're gonna enter support if you're bullish, short of resistance if you're bearish. Okay, so 442 was the resistance, which is exactly where we are right now. Do I recommend shorting? No, but if you are gonna short, this is where you guys would want to short, at resistance level, not at support level. Now the reason why I don't recommend shorting just yet is because we have this strong breakout. This is a bullish breakout, guys, and as long as this breakout holds, guess what? The correction is over. Okay, sorry bears, I'm really sorry. I'm not trying to dish you guys, but I'm just going by with the chart. Don't shoot the messenger. Okay, we had this ABC correction to the downside. All right, from the top, that's like a 5 to 7-8% correction right there. Okay, that's a decent one, And now we got this after this ABC. This could potentially be the waves, a new impulsive wave from 1 here. This could have been 2, and this could be the beginning of 3. Then we're gonna get another dip for 4, and then 5. Okay, something like that. All right, it won't be perfect like the textbooks Elliott Wave try to teach us. It really isn't ever that perfect, but it's something along that line. Okay, so do I think that the correction is over? Yes, I do think the correction is over. Okay, and I am going to be looking for buying opportunities, because I believe we are in the wave 3, heading up higher. I think we're gonna head back to new all-time highs. Okay, we got this confirmation breakout, and it held, and it went and tested the 50-day moving average. That's fine. We're getting some rejection there. It's okay. We could start seeing a base or some sideways action before another move. Okay, preferably I want to see a bull flag. But what we need to see is this breakout level hold. So if we see in SPY break back below this line, if we see in SPY break back below 438, and it's a chance that it could go down lower to one of our support level, or maybe even more lower, all the way down to this 200-day moving average. So if you want to be bearish, let the price action guide you. If you see SPY dropping and closing below this, this that's now a support line. It was a resistance line, but it's now a support line. But if you see SPY closing below that, that will equal out to a false breakout. And usually when it's a false breakout, you're gonna see more downside. Okay, so wait for that false breakout. Okay, wait for confirmation that it's a false breakout. Right now, it's not a false breakout. Look at that. Looks like shorts are covering. Like seriously. Okay, guys. So tomorrow is Friday. Oh, and there it is. The market is over. We got this strong close right at the 50-day moving average. Okay, so tomorrow is Friday. What I'm be watching for, okay, guys, is if will we get that base or that bull flag base before another move higher. Okay, so I'll be watching for that. And if SPY, and I'll also be watching if SPY gives out that false breakout. If it closes back below this white line right here, below 438, is a sign that we're either going to go fill this gap or we're going to go even lower. There's more downside. Okay, guys, because technically speaking, all right, we're still not above all moving averages yet. Okay, what will make me feel more bullish, because I'm bullish right now, just like yesterday I was bullish, and I'm bullish today, of course, but what will make me more bullish is to see SPY close above the 50-day moving average. Okay, 50-day moving average is at 442.5 right now. So we seeing SPY close at 443 or above, very bullish, and I think we're gonna head to new all-time high. 460 plus is my price target. I don't really have an exact price right now, but I'm gonna just say it will be greater than 460 when we head to this next leg higher. And I find bull markets much more easier to trade than when we're going through corrections and stuff like that. Okay, now we have to watch out for this gap. We do have this gap, okay, which means there is an area of liquidity. Okay, now if market makers want to fake us out and freak us out and make us get trapped or scared, where would they set the area of liquidity? Would probably be around here, all right? This orange area, okay? Why? Because they're gonna push it back down, possibly fill the gap. Not saying it will happen, but possibly they'll fill the gap. And when that happens, when it dropped back down to this line, intraday, not a close, but an intraday, you're gonna see the bears coming out, and they're gonna be like, "Ha ha, bulls!" And you know how bears and bulls, they like to talk crap to each other. Well, keep in mind that this is an area of liquidity where market makers will look to take us out, okay? Because if you're a breakout trader, where would you set your stop loss? Exactly, back right under the support, or that's now a support, right? This breakout level. They will set the stop loss under the breakout level. So it's possible that market makers will look to take out the stop losses before pushing it back up higher. That's just something I want you to consider. Okay, guys, so from this breakout level, if you're a bull, from this breakout level, maybe down to this gap, okay, where 436 is, that's where I would look to enter. Okay, to bet to the upside. Now, if it closes below that line, I would cut my loss, obviously. Okay, guys, but right now, I'm bullish, but I want you guys to be careful because market makers will look to fake you out. Okay, guys, so if you see SPY dropping to the 436 or back below this breakout level, don't panic. It's only intraday. What we want to see is the close below that line if you're a bear. Okay, and if it closed below that line, a close, not just intraday, but an actual daily candle close, we might see more downside. But right now, the way everything is looking with this ABC and other and the VIX, which I will talk about in a couple minutes or less. Okay, I'm bullish. Okay, I think we're gonna see more upside. So I will be looking to enter around 438 to the 436 or close to that support level, breakout level. If it don't, it's okay. There's plenty of support and resistance level we can figure out and plenty of ways to get an entry in. Okay, now let's take a look at the VIX. Look at the VIX, guys. Yesterday I told you the VIX got crushed. You look at the thumbnail. VIX got crushed yesterday. All right, it closed below this critical support level, which is a big reason why I was bullish, because this inverses the SPY. So if it's going down and it showed more signs that it's going down, obviously I would think the SPY is going up. Okay, so the VIX definitely played a role, and I was right. It got crushed yesterday, and it definitely got crushed today all the way down almost to the support level. Okay, didn't quite touch it, which tells me there may be more upside for SPY. Okay, guys, but what I really want you to do, if you're watching the VIX and you like to watch the VIX like me, is will this support level hold? This white support level is at 16.6 right now. So the VIX below 16.6 is extremely, extremely bullish for the SPY. And if VIX closes below 16.6, we are most likely, and I do mean most likely, heading to a new all-time high. My price target is 460 plus for the SPY. Okay, guys, so bottom line, I don't want to take up too much of your time, but if you're not getting it yet, I am bullish on the SPY. Okay, I will be looking for buying opportunities at this breakout level and as well as this gap fill. Okay, and if we close below, if we get that daily candle close below 439, 438 zone, that will most likely be a false breakout and I will bet to the downside more. But right now, it don't look like we are heading lower. It look like SPY wants to head up higher. This is a very convincing breakout. Look, it's a big green Shrek candle, guys. Big body. It's not wicks, it's a big body. And you know who can create these big body candles? That's right, market makers. Not me, not you, not us retail traders with our little small accounts. Okay, I'm technically a six-figure trader, but my account is still tiny compared to these market makers. Okay, guys, they have the money to move markets, not you or me. Okay, guys? So just something I want you to think about. If you don't understand yet, I am bullish on the SPY. Okay, the VIX is looking very bearish. It's heading to a critical support level. Let's see if it breaks. All right, like I said, VIX below 16.6 is very bullish on the SPY, and you should be bullish if you see that price action. Okay, if you're not already bullish with what's happening now. Okay, guys, moving on to triple Q. I am also bullish on triple Q. I told you guys triple Q corrected ABC pattern yesterday. All right, and usually an ABC correction, it comes down to the 61.8 retracement. All right, which is what it hit yesterday. All right, 61. Not it didn't hit yesterday. It hit this on the 4th of October. But I did mention it yesterday that it bounced right off that 61.8 retracement and looked like we're heading up higher for wave 1 and ARKK 2. Now we could be heading into 3. Okay. All right, we broke the 78.6 resistant level right here, and we closed just above it. Let me see the moving average again. Oh, we almost touched the 50-day, okay? We almost touched it. We bounced and opened right off the 20-day moving average above the 5, the 13, and the 200, but we almost touched the 50-day. So for me, I'm looking at triple Q. It looked like we have more upside. It looked like triple Q has more room to go up, okay? And if it continue to break the 50-day moving average is at 369.4, okay? So we get to that, we break that. My next price target for the triple Q is all the way up here, 390 plus. So I got a price target for SPY 460 plus and the triple Q 390 plus. Okay, guys. So yeah, September was a very bearish month, but guess what? It's not September no more. It is October, guys. It's October, all right, and earnings season's upon us. All right, so that's something to consider. All right, April earnings season was a very bullish month. July earnings season bullish month. Now we got October. It is October, guys. So let's look for these buying opportunities. Let's stay objective. It looked like the ABC correction is done. Looks like we're trying to get that impulsive move to the upside. Okay. So yes, I am bullish on the triple Q as well. Moving on to ARKK, I've been saying, let the price action guide us in this purple line right here. Okay, this purple line, which was at 113.26. Yesterday, we got the close above that purple line. And I told you guys, if we get that close, I will be more bullish on it. And look at that. Look, we're getting more upside. ARKK didn't quite touch the 50-day moving average. Very similar to triple Q, but I think we will. And right now, my price target for ARKK is 121.8. Okay, so we have the inverse head and shoulder. And we got this nice, beautiful flag. And it looked like there's more room to go. All right, if you're going to short it, I recommend shorting around the 122, 121 range at this resistant level right there that you guys are looking at right now. Hopefully you're looking at it. All right, guys, that's just what the charts are showing me, okay? This is not a crystal ball or nothing like that. I've been doing this for 4 years. I am a chartist, and if you're a chartist like me, stay objective and let the price action guide you, because the price action for ARKK is telling us, hey, this stock, this ETF, this index, it wants to go even higher. All right, guys, it's not a stock. It's an index. It's an ETF. It says it right there. All right, so don't get your panties in a bunch. All right, so basically, I'm bullish on ARKK. Moving on to Bitcoin that I love to cover. Bitcoin, I had that 59 price target. Today we got so close. It got as high as 58.5. Yeah, 58.4. So it got very close to the 59 price target. We didn't quite hit it yet, but I do believe strongly that we will hit that price target. And after we crush that price target, my next price target for Bitcoin is at 71K or above, okay? So where would I look to buy Bitcoin? Off of one of my moving averages, of course. We got the 5 here at 56. We got the 13 at 53.6. And of course, a big spot that I would buy. I don't know if Bitcoin will get that low, but the breakout level. And also the breakout level here also has to be with the 20-day moving average, okay? So 50.8K is a great critical support level for Bitcoin. Below 50.8K, I will be bearish. It could be more downside to another support level, like maybe 45K. But as long as 50.8K holds, I still think we are on complete track to go hit our next price target and Bitcoin going above 71K. All right, guys. So I really hope you guys made some money today. It was a very green day, big green Shrek candle on the SPY. I'm still bullish on it. Very strong close on the SPY. Bullish. VIX is looking bearish. So guys, follow the price action like I have, and I believe you will be profitable. Of course, nothing is 100%. Be sure to always manage your risk. Don't be like one of those gamblers on Reddit that buy so many calls on GME and AMC and then they lost $100,000. Don't be that guy. All right? Slow money is better than no money. Don't try to get rich quick. All right? So I hope this technical analysis was able to help you guys. Please hit the like button. And if you are a chartist like me and you like technical analysis, please subscribe to the channel. Come be part of the community. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all soon.